Hello, TJ here,
And Joe with Third Quarter Quest.
and we are doing some repairs on our camping chairs. They were not very expensive. And we could just purchase other ones, but we decided to try to repair them with some old-fashioned duct tape and needle and thread. And we're going to show you it.
Like the pioneer RVing days. So
Yes.
we'll see how this turns out.
So, so both of these are falling down off the caps. The caps have worn a hole through them.
The high quality material that they use from our friends overseas didn't handle up too well for very long, and I'm sure that this is a similar problem that many people have.
Exactly.
So we thought it might be interesting to see if there was any quick repair.
Well, I'm not sure quick, but this particular one did not have a cap to soften the rod. So we put a
And continuing on with the finished product, and the project is complete. Everything worked out well. It's actually been tested, and since this was a little bit pricier chair, we've deemed it was worth the effort to go ahead and repair this at least once. So everything came out real well, works real well, and we're pretty pleased. So TJ and Joe with Third Quarter Quests, and we appreciate her work. I helped a lot. And like us, follow us, and catch you later.